something I did, but this feeling inside is leading me to say goodbye. My dreams are fading out to dark. I don't understand, why are you so mean? So consider I've never done a terrible thing, but you're always making fun of me. You are just like me, there's nothing like a great divide. So please look at me, it's not funny